Say, I'm driving.
It's driving.
Yeah.
Way.
Say, vroom, vroom.
Mom.
Say, beep, beep.
Beep beep.
Move out of my way, people.
Go away. We do.
Say, Maddie is driving.
It's driving.
Say, I'm driving. Move out of my way.
Go away.
Where do you want to go, Maddie? Do you want to go to the lake?
No.
Do you want to go to college?
And then get a car tomorrow.
And
You gonna
tomorrow?
take the car tomorrow?
We car tomorrow.
Okay.
What do you want to do right now?
Move away.
Move out of the way.
Say, move out of the way, cars.
Go away in the cars.
Don't drive, Tony. Say beep, beep, honk the horn.
Beep, beep.
Maddie. Where's your car? Do you have a car?
Say, whoa, we're moving.
For a moment.
Say I love you.
You
Did you have fun?
Fun.
What did you eat?
in a hot meal.
You had a happy meal.
In a hot meal.
A meal?
Did you eat chicken
It's
Chicken and fries?
and Cheerios?
that car.
Look at that car.
You gonna attack?
You want to dance? Let's dance. Say, I'm dancing and driving.
Driving.
Yeah.
Where do you want to go, Maddie?
In a park, movies, cars.
You gonna park the cars?
Movies, cars.
Movies? Move the cars?
Moving cars.
Say, move out of the way, truck.
Go on attack.
Give Tio kisses.
Mwah.
Say I love you, Tio.
I love you, Maddie.
We're all down the windows?
Look. Press it. Press it down.
Hi.
Hi.
Coming out with it.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say, can you hear me out there?
It's like a milk. It's like a milk.
The milk.
Why'd you call me Milk?
I see it.
What is it?
It's the air. He said. You feel the air?
You want to come sit with me, Maddie?
No, we're tapping.
You're
I'm
driving.
driving.
No, I'm driving. Are you going to shift the gear? Watch, Maddie. How do you do? Pull it in. Pull that stick in.
Pull it in. This way. Look, Mace. Stick your hand out the window.
Water.
You feel
Awa.
You feel the awa?
His hair's blowing in the wind. What is that?
Say, vroom.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Where's Mommy and Dada and Grandma and Luis?
And party eat.
They're in there eating?
And
They're eat?
it's talking.
They're talking.
It's talking, mommy.
Oh.
We're talking to Mommy.
It's talking, mommy.
They're talking to Mommy.
Oh.
Is Grandma in there too?
No.
Abuela?
If I eat
So she's getting a bite to eat?
and eat
Eat, man. Where's Luis?
it's an
He's eating?
and juice.
Where's Dada?
Eat there.
He's eating?
And again,
Where's Maddie?
it's happy too.
With Abby and Tia.
Yeah, you're right. Where's Mommy?
Mommy eating.
She's eating?
We eat.
Where's Sissy?
Dada and Sissy and cool.
They're at school.
Sissy's at school?
Cool.
Dada
Dada
and
and
Sissy at school.
Look, there's a baby.
Baby. Say hi, baby. Look, there it goes.
Say bye-bye, baby.
Bye, baby.
Maddie, do you love babies?
Hey, baby.
You love babies?
It's happening.
You're driving.
Doesn't eat.
Do you like having fun with Abby and Theo?
Is that Tia?
Tia.
Tia. That's Tia Abby, isn't it?
Tia happy.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Did you eat chicken today, Maddie?
Oh, yeah.
Did you eat Applejack?
Do you like coming and seeing Theo and Abby? Do you like seeing Tia Abby?
You want to hear? Not what typing.
The Applejacks. Abby, did
Applejack, Abby?
Did Tia Abby give you Applejacks? Did she give you Applejacks?
Where's your car seat? Shouldn't you be in a car seat? Get out of here.
You want to get out of here?
Here.
Where do you want to go? Do you want to go to the lake and see the awa? Yeah. And you want to go to college where Abby and Theo go to college? College.
Taken.
You put on the signal, Maddie. You turned on the signal.
In my office.
Yeah.
In my same house.
Yeah.
Alf. Hey, Maddie, can you say
Look,
uno?
man.
Uno?
Twist it. Whoa!
It's cold.
In house.
It's cold.
Can you say uno? There's Dada.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi. And Tia car.
You in Tia's car. Give me a kiss.
And happy car.
Abby's car?
And Tia.
Tia. Okay. It's Tia Abby? It's Tia Abby?
Did you have fun? What'd you do?
Tell them what you did. I did.
Did you play in the car?
You drove.
You drove in the car?
I'm driving. Huh?
¿Necesitas hacerle en the tires?
Yeah.
You need to take it to get it.
No, it's the monitor.
He keeps putting on the signal.
¿También? ¿Los tires?
Say,
Yeah, it's just when I got the
I
flat.
saw.
Well,
Tell
you
me you
take
saw a
it back.
baby.
Yeah.
You saw a baby too.
Again,
Baby.
go back to that.
Yeah.
There's Luis.
Starting to. I told Dad I was like,
Hi, buddy.
go get that oil change.
Take it to that Kia.
Because
Until,
they told me to go. It's fine, and then it's like whenever I switch, it goes.
yeah, in the,
Felt
you know.
it.
Maddie.
Maddie. Maddie.
Look,
You
there's
want me to
Luis.
take care of these cars? Because if we're gonna get an investment, we're gonna be able to buy a new car.
Yeah.
For a long time.
Maddie.
Oh,
I love
I forgot. No.